Names that echo down the storied halls of aviation history. Thunderjet, Super Sabre, Thunder Chief, Phantom, Talon, and today, the mighty Fighting Falcon. From their fabled past to their present incarnation, this team is the premier air demonstration squadron of the world's most elite air and space force. They are the best of the best, a squadron of the finest U.S. Air Force professionals, teamed together for the purpose of demonstrating flying skill, raw power, and the ability to achieve uncontested air dominance anywhere, anytime. They are the United States Air Force Air Demonstration Squadron. They are known to all the world as the Thunderbirds.
Good afternoon, Tampa Bay. My name is Major Scott Petz, Thunderbird 8, the team's advanced pilot and narrator from Face, South Dakota. Today, we'll give you a chance to witness the Thunderbird mission, a demonstration of the teamwork, dedication, and professionalism that mirrors that of your Air Force, active, Guard, and Reserve personnel deployed around the globe. Now, it's my pleasure to introduce the demonstration pilots for the 2016 Thunderbird team. Flying Thunderbird 1, the team's commander and leader from Abilene, Texas, Lieutenant Colonel Christopher Hammond. Flying the left wing from Colorado Springs, Colorado, Thunderbird 2, Captain Ryan Bodenheimer. Flying the right wing from Fairfax Station, Virginia, Thunderbird 3, Major Alexander Goldfein. Flying the slot position from West Point, Nebraska, Thunderbird 4, Major Nick Krawczak. Flying the opposing solo from Chelmsford, Massachusetts, Thunderbird 6, Major Alex Turner. Ladies and gentlemen, our lead solo from Ashburn, Virginia, Thunderbird 5, Captain Nicholas Everling will not be flying in today's demonstration due to a minor injury. As safety is our #1 concern to our pilots as well as our audience, we will be flying without him today. Our entire team represents the elite airmen who are serving in your United States Air Force each day as we continue to fly, fight, and win in air, space, and cyberspace. Now, let's begin today's flying demonstration.